How to start a secret chat on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Open any chat from the list. Then tap on the name at the top. Once you're here on this page, tap on the option Disappearing Messages. You can select the message timer from the options right here. You can tap to select the option 7 days, 24 hours, or even 90 days. Once you select these options, all new messages will remain for a certain period, and after that, it will disappear from the chat. That is, except for the messages that are already saved in the chat. And anyone in the chat can change the setting by following the same procedure. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and start a secret chat on WhatsApp.